A tough day, huh?
Tell me about it. Tough is the new normal, I guess. Maintenance of the production line is taking too much time. Our approach is reactive instead of predictive. But why would I waste your time like this?
Believe it or not, we've suffered the same on the assembly level. Ever considered a combined solution of Mitsubishi Electric products and Iconic's software solutions?
No, what's that?
Imagine all your devices,
Regardless of the vendor?
all of them, transferring data vertically to the cloud by means of open and secure protocols, enabling smooth visualization on any device. No more running around the shop floor and plugging into each and every device separately. Besides, robots generate poorly structured data that only engineers can understand. Set up the IoT gateway by using an IQR PLC series module. Connect your devices such as robot, servo, or inverter, for instance, to the IoT gateway by indicating their IP addresses. Once the OPC server inside the IoT gateway is communicating to the devices, you are ready to connect with any third-party OPC UA client. Finally, all you need to do is browse through the available OPC servers and connect to the right one. That's how you can achieve a structured view of the data. This is just, in short, an intro to the Mitsubishi Electric and Iconic solution.
Man, if only I could then get this data up to the cloud. We have so many production plants around the world.
Cloud connection requires adding an extra layer of communication, a secure internet protocol called MQTT. All you need to do is to configure data so that it's provided to a broker. That's when the IoT gateway becomes an MQTT publisher, while Iconic's software acts as an MQTT data subscriber. Sorry, I got to go. Don't get discouraged though. The beginnings are always the hardest.